Hey guys, Matt from Just Wrench It here, and today we are out in the garage. I have a ton of projects going on right now. I have the wife's Mazda in here. I'm doing an alternator on that. I'm cleaning up the garage a little bit. I got my new toolbox. There'll be a separate video on that coming soon. But first, we got to do something about this garage. I made another video in the past about LED lighting for your shop or garage, and that's very important. It helps a lot, especially with the energy efficiency and just your overall coverage of light. But today, we are going to fix this, and let me show you what we're talking about. This is the before. I have a couple lights over here, the standard bulb. I'm kind of hoping this corner's pretty dark over here. My phone, I know this sounds crappy, but my phone makes it look a lot brighter than it actually is. It looks kind of like dull and dark in here in a lot of spaces. Like that back corner, I assure you, is not lit as well as my phone is showing. And here I will show you the after. This is what it looks like now with the new LED lights in the garage. They are very bright. You can see the new workstation there in the back. We will do a video on that soon. It's actually not that bad, and my mounting job is not the best, but I have three over here down this side, what would be the passenger side of a vehicle, and then I have two up here by my bigger workbench, and then I got oddly creative with this back corner and did like a little J section. I just wanted to fill that corner since it's wider with a little more light, and it seems to have worked really well. Starting to get this place cleaned up. I just got the Mazda out of here. I did the alternator on that, you can tell, and so that's all good. I have a little more space to work and clean up and get everything sorted, but this is what it looks like now. Now, if I go around and turn on all of my old lights, that one should kick on in a minute. These old fixtures, man, they're iffy for sure. Yeah, there we go. One turned on. Whoa, I almost died. Tripped over a cinder block. See if we can get this one to... There we go. And the last bulb. Okay, so if I roll with the lights I already had on too, I mean, this place is lit up like a Christmas tree. I could not be happier. But even if you're just gonna swap out for these LEDs, 10 of them, and this is a pretty big, technically it's like a 1.5 car garage, but you could probably fit 2 in here if you really wanted to. And my work phone is going off for some reason. They want to bother me. Oh, okay, it's my boss, so that's actually an important message. But yeah, even if you just wanted to go with these LED lights, um, they're economical, and I like them. They're real slim, they're real easy to mount, and I gotta say, I love these connectors. Oh, yeah, there. I love these connectors because you can angle around, you can do all kinds of abstract stuff. You could, if you want to get crazy and you want to make like perfect 90-degree angles, or you want to hook them directly to each other, you can do that too. But guys, for about $70, you get a lot more of these than you do even buying the LED bulbs for your normal system like my last video. So definitely, guys, check it out. Link in the description below to that product. It's just a good setup, and it gives me a lot more light, I'm very happy with it. All right, guys. Matt from Just Wrench It. I will see you later.